get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through the realm of firepower. Come along as we introduce you to the extraordinary M16 rifle, renowned for its raw power and impeccable accuracy. Brace yourself for the awe-inspiring beauty of its streamlined design and its unstoppable might on the battlefield. Remember to show your support by liking our content, subscribing to our channel, and activating notifications to stay up to date with the latest firearms adventures. Let's plunge into the adrenaline-fueled universe of the M16, where each shot holds tremendous significance and excitement is boundless. The M16 rifle carries a captivating legacy that spans several decades. It emerged as a direct descendant of the AR-15, becoming an emblematic firearm in the annals of modern military history. Let's explore the intriguing journey of this legendary weapon. Our tale begins in the late 1950s, when Eugene Stoner crafted the AR-15 rifle under the Armalite division of the Fairchild Engine and Airplane Corporation. This innovative firearm revolutionized the industry with its lightweight build, gas-operated mechanism, and employment of cutting-edge materials like aluminum alloys and synthetics. In 1959, Armalite licensed the AR-15 to Colt's Manufacturing Company, which made significant enhancements. By 1962, the US military officially adopted this transformed rifle as the M16, deploying it to soldiers during the Vietnam War. The M16's adoption was driven by its lightweight nature, generous ammunition capacity, and its potential to deliver enhanced firepower. The M16's story is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of weaponry, constantly pushing the boundaries of design and technology. The M16 faced significant challenges during its initial deployment, but its story took a remarkable turn. One major hurdle was the introduction of a new propellant, which resulted in reliability issues and malfunctions. Moreover, the early M16 models lacked a chrome-lined barrel, leaving them vulnerable to corrosion and jamming in the unforgiving jungles of Vietnam. Consequently, the M16 garnered an unfavorable reputation in its early days, as soldiers encountered reliability problems and expressed concerns about its performance. However, determined efforts were made to rectify these issues and transform the M16 into a highly effective weapon. In response to the setbacks experienced in Vietnam, the M16 underwent substantial upgrades. The introduction of the M16A1 variant in 1967 marked a turning point, bringing essential improvements such as the inclusion of a forward assist, a chrome-lined barrel, and an enhanced ammunition feed system. As time went on, the M16 underwent further evolutions and adaptations, including the development of the M16A2, M16A3, and M16A4. These iterations showcased advancements such as improved ergonomics, adjustable sights, and accessory rails for attaching optics and other add-ons. Moreover, the M16 family served as the foundation for other firearms like the M4 carbine. The journey of the M16 is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance, as it overcame its initial challenges to become a highly versatile and revered weapon system. The influence of the M16 rifle reached far beyond the borders of the United States, as it gained widespread adoption by numerous countries and served as a model for various military rifles across the globe. Its lightweight design, dependable performance, and adaptability made it a favored choice for armed forces worldwide. The M16 and its variations have seen action in numerous significant conflicts, including the Gulf War, Iraq War, and Afghanistan War. Its exceptional accuracy, extended range, and formidable firepower have solidified its reputation as a reliable and effective military firearm. Today, the M16 remains in active service with the US military and numerous other nations around the world. It is esteemed for its precision, modular design, and unwavering reliability, representing the culmination of decades of development and refinement. The M16 rifle is a remarkable firearm known for its lightweight build, efficient cooling system, and smooth operation. It is designed to be versatile, with the option to customize and attach different accessories to suit specific operational needs. The rifle is composed of two main sections, the upper and lower receiver. The upper receiver houses essential components like the bolt carrier group, barrel, and handguard, while the lower receiver contains the trigger assembly, magazine well, and pistol grip. Typically, the M16 is equipped with a 20-inch barrel made of strong yet lightweight steel. This barrel incorporates a flash suppressor at the muzzle, which serves to diminish muzzle flash and enhance recoil control. Operating on a direct impingement gas system, the M16 utilizes high-pressure gas from fired rounds, which is channeled through a small port in the barrel. This propels the bolt carrier group, facilitating the cycling of the action. In terms of firing modes, the M16 features a semi-automatic mode, meaning it fires one round with each pull of the trigger. The fire control group comprises the trigger, hammer, and disconnector, ensuring safe and reliable semi-automatic operation. The M16 rifle is renowned for its user-friendly features and impressive performance. It utilizes a detachable box magazine that typically holds 30 rounds of 5.56 x 45mm NATO ammunition. With the magazine well located in the low receiver, soldiers can easily and swiftly swap magazines during intense combat situations. The M16 traditionally sports a fixed stock made of durable polymer or fiberglass. However, variants like the M4 carbine offer collapsible and adjustable stocks for added versatility. The handguard, which encircles the barrel, not only provides a secure grip, but also shields the shooter's hand from the heat generated during prolonged firing. For sighting targets, the M16 comes with iron sights as standard equipment. The front sight is adjustable, featuring a post that can be modified, while the rear sight allows adjustments for both windage and elevation. The rifle can be equipped with a range of optical sights, scopes, or red dot sights, enabling enhanced accuracy and rapid target acquisition. The M16's design incorporates lightweight materials, a modular structure, and a reliable gas-operated system, resulting in a firearm that excels in both reliability and accuracy. Its compatibility with various accessories has made it a popular choice for armed forces worldwide. From its iconic shape to its ergonomic features, the M16 epitomizes innovation in firearms design. You've experienced the incredible might of the M16 rifle and delved into its captivating past. If you are craving more thrilling content, don't miss out. Be sure to show your support by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We're eager to hear about your favorite moments and any inquiries you may have about the M16. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more captivating content. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey, and we look forward to embarking on our next adventure together.